What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Parker and I currently own a vending machine business nearing 40 locations. All of them are snack machines. I just record myself collecting, moving machines, you know, just whatever's going on in my vending business, I just record it. Today I'm going to a farther location. I think I'm going to try and hit up about 7 today. I'm not sure if that's gonna be accomplished or not. Hopefully it will be. I'll see you guys later. Alright, I'm just leaving Sam's Club right now. I spent $125. That's probably the least amount I've ever spent, but I already had a lot of stuff. So my car looks insane right now. Oops. My car looks insane right now. There's boxes everywhere. I really want to try and get a van or something. That'd be so much easier, but gotta make do with what you got. If you've got like a car or something, don't let that stop you from doing vending, because you're just being lazy. You're just kidding yourself. You can do it. Go to the first one. Alright, I didn't film in the first location, but I did pretty good. They're having like a party or something in there, so I'm definitely not going to get any sales today. There was food everywhere. But yeah, nice stack. And I just got to location 2. Let's run inside and see how it does. So I didn't film in there either. Here's what location number 2 made. Pretty good. On to number 3. Alright, so this location absolutely killed it. They said they had some like event where high school students came in and they like emptied out the machine. Look at that. That machine was wiped out. So that's an awesome collection there. And I'm gonna hit up one more and I think we're gonna call it a day. Alright, we hit up 5 locations today. We are heading home and we're gonna see how much we made. Alright, so we got home and we're gonna count up the money. I picked up Alyssa.
Hi.
And yeah, we're gonna see how much we made off these 5 locations. Alright, location 1 made $87.15 after 3 weeks. Location number 2 made $63.80 after 2 weeks. Location number 3 made $55 flat after 2 weeks. Location number 4 absolutely killed it. It did $114.40 after 2 weeks. Alright, location number 5 made $78.35. There's the money. Now we're going to add everything up and get you guys the totals off 5 machines today. Alright, and when Sanders moves, I can show you guys the money.
Ow.
Go on, Sanders. Go. So today, off 5 machines, there's the money. We made $398.70 on 5 machines, which is pretty good. And I only spent $125 on product, I believe. 125, 273 profit. Super happy with that. I worked 5 hours that day. By 5, $54 an hour. That's pretty good. I'll take that. Beats working at McDonald's. That's it for today's video. We love you guys so much. Thanks for all the support, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.